Hello, N4H&H here. This is an unboxing video, but I have no idea what it is. It's from one of the executive Patreon members of the channel here. So, Mark, I hope you don't mind me giving out your name, because that's whose name's on the label. Mark Shonoff, and I hope I said that correctly. So this is a surprise. Let's see. What do we have here? Wow, look at that workmanship. Oh my. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. Wow, it says, Doug, thanks for all your help and advice, Mark. What a beautiful, look at that. What a beautiful box there. Perfect for my business cards. Look at that. And I've actually got some, let me see if I can grab one. I actually have printed up some business card size QSL card. But yeah, so there it is, my QSL card in a business card size. And look, it fits in there perfectly. So I need to print some more of those up anyway. Well, thank you so much, Mark. I sure do appreciate it. Wow. And that is a beautiful piece of workmanship there. Signed on the back. This is great. Thank you so much, man. Y'all, we have a great team here on N4H&H Radio, and the amateur radio community as a whole is great. But you know, there are some that are, you know, take it to another level. So I do much appreciate this. Thank you so much, Mark. 73 from N4H&H. Look at that. Oh wow, look at that.